This is a video on how to remove your extruder tensioner. First, you're going to start by using a 2.5 millimeter. You're going to remove the M3 by 45. I'm going to hold my finger by this hole on this side so I can hold the nut in, that way it doesn't fall out. I'm going to pull. And then you're going to remove the M3 by 30. And that's how you remove it. And then this is how you put a new extruder tensioner on. First, you're gonna snap it onto the extruder base and close it. I'm gonna start off by putting my M3 washer and M3 by 30 screw into here. When I get to it, I'm not going to tighten it just yet. I'm going to add my M3 by 45. I'm going to put my finger back where the nut is to ensure that it doesn't fall out. Then I'm going to get it started so the nut is held in there. I'm going to tighten the screw until the nut is flat with the edge on this side. This is a good starting point before you put your filament in. Then I'm going to finish snugging this. I don't want to tighten it too much, I just want to snug it just right. And that's how you change your tensioner.